I'm back again with my cooking show, myself and my partner, Jody and McDonald. We are together again today. Start it over.
Come, you know, starting over.
Yes, guys. With my beautiful partner, my beautiful daughter-in-law, the king of the show, the queen of the show, guys. So we are here today again, guys, to perform my cooking. What I'm going to do today, guys, I'm going to do some pumpkin rice with bungo peas and cabbage and mixed vegetables. So I'm going to put sweet pepper, green pepper, sweet pepper, and those things into it, guys. The next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry some chicken. I'm going to season it with my mayonnaise, my garlic powder, my complete, my parsley flakes, and my black pepper, and my slap your mama. So I'm going to season up my chicken with these, guys. I'm not going to use any natural season on my chicken. So I'm going to use these to season up my chicken, guys, to get it fried. And the pumpkin rice with the peas and the pumpkin and the bell pepper and the scallion and everything, guys. Follow me, guys, today and watch what I'm doing, guys.
That's fully loaded rice with your cabbage. Yeah, that.
Tell them again.
What you doing?
The rice fully loaded. Eh?
What you doing?
Fully loaded.
Not that thing.
But that's why the man got the bicycle and say, full be loaded, full be loaded. And make the man go on the gully.
Oh, Lord have mercy, Papa.
Parsley flakes, guys.
For the chicken thighs and legs.
Yeah.
About 2 pounds. We're not going to hold it because it's like we got
This is
food
complete,
in
guys. Guys, you can use any season you have, any season of your choice.
whatever flavor you want, or if you want it to taste, you can. You know,
With
season.
some Maggi all-purpose, guys. Some garlic powder. I'm not going to put any garlic on this right now, guys, more than the powder. I want to put the garlic into the oil and let it fry out to fry the chicken in.
This is enough pumpkin, I think so, right?
Yeah. I put garlic a piece more. It will mash out, you know.
You know how much out?
Yeah. And then now we want the cabbage to cut up fine too. Something.
When you
Yes.
fully loaded rice?
Not me in that video.
I'm busy, it's fully loaded, okay? Like this, fully
We're
loaded.
going to put up some onion. Some jerk season, guys.
Jamaican, I love the jerk seasoning.
Yeah, we love it. We Jamaican love our jerk seasoning. Now, guys, for the mayonnaise to rub on the chicken. If you don't have mayonnaise, could you have one yellow one here, man?
Mustard?
Mustard, you can use mustard too, guys.
You can use buttermilk. It's kind of a thicker milk.
Yeah, no, but you use the mayonnaise to rub on the chicken.
I learn a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not about that yet. So, that's new for me.
Really?
Yeah, everybody has a different use mayonnaise too.
So when you tell us me a top chef?
Yeah, I use mayonnaise as well. What do you want up to me? Or something.
Yeah. But the mayonnaise have a nice flavor. again this.
It's a nice one. The wind.
The breeze, yeah. Really nice.
Do you need all of this cabbage as well?
Everything. All like cabbage. Because cabbage is not where we are seeing shrink away. Yes, guys, this is it. Gonna put it one side now, guys. Let it marinate. In the meantime, while I'm gonna look about the Causeway, can you light the stove for me, please? Yes, guys.
A little bit of lighter this week here.
Pumpkin
Pumpkin time.
You have my partner, so talk what you're doing now.
What you doing, Jody?
Nothing.
Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Talk what you're doing.
What I like you?
What you doing, Jody?
But I don't know. Isn't it clear? I put it in the pumpkin because we're going to do fully loaded rice, pumpkin rice. Load my cabbage, you know. I like it's going to be more cabbage more than rice. Put in cabbage, sir, or not yet?
Put in the cabbage.
You're sure?
I cabbage swinking, just like callaloo.
Alright, so the cabbage and the pumpkin going in,
Yeah.
folks. First time me assisting with this, you know. Yeah, sous chef, you know. So the sous chef learning. I'm in the learning
Stir
mode.
it up.
No seasoning going in later, or just some of this.
Yes, I'm going to
so
season it
some
up.
half a scotch bonnet pepper in here with pumpkin and the cabbage.
Yeah.
Boy. Alright. But I don't make it go on.
Make it bubble up now while you go and cut up this. Some
There's
of,
no need to go in there yet either.
no,
Okay.
some of this, you can cut off piece off of this. You have a little tiny little onion and two different
So
color pepper.
seasoning time.
Yes, cut up the scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet. Wait it.
Then cut
Oh,
off a
they-
piece of this and you use one stack of scale and a stack of we have bring up the taste of that, the coconut milk. Guys, it's the natural coconut this. Natural coconut this is
The butternut. Oh, the one there. I got sharpen up right.
Which one that?
Yes.
Or your chef get cut from the man.
Talk again.
And now every chef knows how not to get cut from them. It happens, accidents happen sometimes, but you can't make it happen all the time and can't make it, you know, be careful.
Boil up properly.
It is a chef.
Eh,
Go
because
ahead, go slow. Do it again.
cameraman, you must be doing the job all well so you can get it in live action, okay? Coming out to me in here. Ouch. And in time,
Yeah.
oh, that pizza cutter.
You can use piece of one and piece of the next one.
You can use one of them.
You can use one man. And you use a piece of onion.
So chef can probably make such a chef, but you have to go for the head chef make the decision.
The sous chef easy if you know if you cook, just watch and cut up and eat.
So sous chef take direction.
Why? Cut up and seed like that.
Eh? Oh, cut up the seed.
Yeah.
Right, so. Because when you're making me nervous.
Why?
You put in the camera doing your drum.
Nah.
Don't go like you can't cut it. You can't cut it. What cut it is. Me, you feel my finger, you want to cut that?
No, you use your
Yeah,
knuckles
yeah,
to
yeah,
keep-
yeah,
keep
yeah,
it
yeah.
off your finger.
Me do cut it like what me can cut it in my stove pork, so
You
okay.
can't get me count if you play money tomorrow.
You're exactly. Monday.
Oh, tomorrow Sunday, no?
And use the elbow.
No,
Them no money for them.
Huh?
And no accounts for them.
Guys, I don't throw away bell pepper seed. That's where the taste coming from, out of the seed.
And the vitamins and shit.
And the vitamins in the seed, so I don't throw away that. I use the seed, I cook with the seed, guys. That's where everything is from, out of the seed. Scallion.
Scallion.
Yeah, when you cut them, so you just cut them. I tell you, I think you don't know what she do.
You
Mama.
can cook, you know. I'll be cooking since my eye on my knee.
Wow, so good.
There's no cook there this year.
All right, now because
That is okay?
yeah. I don't one say, tell him, but I say, if you never take back road, just take the left. What easy I am. Take the left. Scallion, attack a scallion.
The pollination.
So guys, I allow it to cook, I want the pumpkin to cook, guys.
Because we don't be already, yeah.
Guys, I want to put in my gungo peas now, call it pigeon peas.
And what is that? Fully loaded rice?
And the pumpkin, I'm going to mash up too, you know. Pumpkin is
And
gonna
that's
mash
a
up.
person that go on
Yes.
do it thing like this way.
Pumpkin, I'm going to mash up. See, you're taking the space there already.
According to Jody, the fully
Taking the
what?
space.
Don't put my name in. Fully loaded, okay?
Yes, guys. Give me that card. Lift up the board, give me. I want to put in my natural seasoning now, guys, into the pot.
Daddy, Xavier said this is not enough for Chick-fil-A.
You know, say a gangster.
This is not enough for Chick-fil-A.
Save it until they get more.
Oh. Wait, then where did I put it?
Put it in the, get out of the drawer. Put it in the drawer. Next to
Mommy?
on my side of the bed.
Oh yeah, you're saying it. But don't take my mic.
No,
Don't take it.
no.
I'm gonna be mad.
I know.
More
Oh,
smile.
you're smiling. Don't.
I'm not thinking about it.
Yes, guys, I'm seasoning up the pot now,
Daddy.
guys.
Daddy, if I drink more, you
Guys, I'm
give.
putting
you
some
give me
mixed
more.
vegetable now in the pot. So put one in the pot.
If I drink more, you give me more money.
You know,
Mommy,
you know your scammer.
Give me some more.
I need that bigger pot.
I got my money.
You guys gonna steam in a bit.
A lot of fun, one morning.
Now, guys, time for the butter now.
Daddy, I have this for me, so if I drink it, I get some more.
Guys, it seems like I have to go and change the pot. Because no space is not for the rice. this up.
Good.
Go.
I'm gonna mix the flour now for the chicken. Now guys, I'm gonna use about 3 cups of flour. Yes guys. And some corn starch along with it guys.
And how much teaspoon?
No teaspoon.
How much cup spoon?
No, well, I know about a cup of corn, one of these spoon of cornstarch, guys. One of these. Yes, guys. Maybe a little more could do. Now guys, now for the seasoning guys, I'm gonna use a lot because the flour must have the color. Must be white, must have color of the seasoning.
Suzuki, chef.
With all the seasons that you have, you can use any season of your choice, guys. Any season of your choice. Any season of your choice, guys.
Nobody stay in the island and drink out the pineapple juice. What? Stay in the island and drink out the pineapple juice. She know she's putting in the rice. Suzuki. That's the flour. Over to the rice. Flour. Rice.
You're kind of fused.
Flour.
Rice.
And rice.
Where's this one?
How do you do this? See here?
They found who had it already.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. Give me the when. Garlic in the frying pot.
Huh?
Garlic in the frying pot.
Just a little tip of baking powder, guys. Just a little tip. Not plenty, just a little tip.
Baking powder going into the flour.
No more than that, guys.
Daddy, I'm a chef.
Now, guys, I'm gonna use this
Wait.
hand to
Daddy.
rub up the flour and this and take up the chicken.
Oh,
Yeah, look at my grandmother. I use no chef. Leave it no chef.
okay. What's these? What's these?
Pumpkin skin and cabbage.
Pumpkins! Give me these are sweeties. Wait, what's a pumpkin at?
In this pot. The rice pot.
There was a pumpkin.
Inside. It's boiled inside the rice.
Oh, you mean the yellow steam?
Yeah.
Yes, guys, go wash it. Now, guys, I'm putting the chicken in the pot.
I'm going to stir it in top. Well, I'll do the peanut butter. Good one.
Golden brown, that's fancy in golden bird. Mad guy. This guy, golden brown. Yeah, and brown. So they're pretty.
Daddy definitely eat.
This is the last set, guys. The last set. See God. Last set, guys.
House full of food.
My God. No, sir. No, sir.
To our help.
Really want to help eat as much food over here, sir? No, sir.
Go.
Okay, so guys, we've completed our cooking for today. And we have our specialty rice here, the fully loaded rice.
Yeah.
To be honest, so that there's integrity, the rice cook a little bit soft. So, you know, this is how I'm gonna plate it. But it is very good, of course, because coconut juice is in it, and you know, whatever. So it has the cabbage, it has the pumpkin, the mixed vegetable, a whole heap of things in here. Coconut milk, I don't know if I said that, plus all kinds of seasoning, plus the rice, plus gungo peas. All right, so we did that, and then we have a little some cucumbers over here. We had some leftover oxtail, and then we have our fried chicken. So this is gonna be our meal for today. Not looking too bad, and then you know, look, we have
It looks good.
We have some tomato there.
It looks real good.
Yeah. Whose plate is this again?
I guess it's mine.
No,
It's always mine. So why today is not mine?
it's not your plate today.
I think it's mine.
You don't know to appreciate this plate.
People, this is good looking.
The rice is good. Even Sebastian, who not really like them something, said the rice tastes good. Taste test.
On camera.
Okay, so this is that's what I is mine.
You find you like people sitting like a few years.
Yeah.
Alright, stop now. No more rest.
No more rice. Some cucumber and a piece of chicken. Alright. Okay.
Rice and cucumber.
Hmm?
We have featured the rest, nothing else.
Really? And the chicken is spectacular too. Come and taste some chicken already. Look at that chicken. It's a good dinner.
Alright, stop now. Get out of taste some more. Alright, get out of taste some more. This yes man done.
Craving dick.
You can stop.
But yeah, it's good.
Alright, here we go.
It tastes good.
Guys, I'm going to dig in it right now. Guys, the rice so good. It is so nice. No, guys, not for the chicken.
Soft and juicy.
Guys, the chicken you see, look at it. It's so soft and juicy and crunchy. Wow. It's nice, guys. And to my subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Please to continue to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Guys, thank you for staying with me through the video. Guys, I'm out.